Filipino boy band SB19 has taken a creative approach to promote their upcoming single, Lawless. In the first installment, Pablo, the group's charismatic leader, revealed his preferred law, a ban on noise from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. He explained, "To promote peace and quiet, I think there should be a law that during that hour, everyone stays silent. It's already hot in the country and noise makes it even hotter. A peaceful hour of silence would be refreshing for everyone."
Pablolo. Siguro yung law sa akin ay yung law na gusto ko ipatupad. Every day, 12 p.m. hanggang alauna ng tanghali, bawal magingay. As in, complete silence. Para may katahimik. Kasi minsan, mainit na eh. Di ba? Mainit na, tas maingay pa. So, nakakapagod. Yun lang yung law ko. Tahimik. Katahimikan.